Good morning. There's a sad story in our local paper. Area high school senior dies after truck hits wild hog. I posted some videos about hog damage here in Texas. It's significant, and we get several people a year who die in vehicle accidents when they hit a hog. This nice looking young man, and in Texas it's a real problem. These things can get up to 400 or 500 pounds, and it's like hitting a brick wall when you hit it with a vehicle. And again, this nice young man has passed away because of a damn hog. Down here you can hunt them from a helicopter. If you have a licensed fully automatic weapon, you can use it. You can shoot them on sight, day or night. You can use a silenced, high-powered rifle. You can use about everything except carpet bombing and explosive devices to kill these damn things. They are everywhere. And of course, we've got people who think that the wild hogs have a right to life just like human beings. They don't. It's a nuisance animal. They do a tremendous amount of damage. They kill people, either through accident or intent. They will knock you down and rip your belly open and eat you. These are dangerous animals. And it's just a sad day. Poor kid was trying to drive to wherever he was going, and damn hog took his life. So that's why you'll see, me posting videos about wild hogs. I've got several of them up. I'll continue to post. These things they're terrible animals. They're not native. They were introduced species. They have no redeeming value. The meat's not even any good. Depending on what they eat, it can be edible. If they just ate a dead cow, it's inedible. It taints the meat. They just have no redeeming qualities. Well, not a very good video to post, but it needs to be posted. I'm real sorry the young man died. But that's why we hate hogs here in Texas. Thank you.